Hey guys, it's Daps here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. I am super excited to share another video with you today. And in this video, I want to be touching down on the 10web.io AI website builder. This AI website builder promises to design a WordPress website for you just by giving this AI some information. So I just want to jump on it. Let's see what we can make out of it. There's so much film around. There's so much buzz on the internet these days around this AI. So I just want us to experiment. Let's check. Let's see if this would work as said. Without further ado, let's go straight into the tutorials immediately. So right on my screen here is 10web.io/AI website builder. I'll leave a link to this tool in the video description so you can click that link to come to this page. If you're on this page and you're not seeing anything AI website builder, make sure to click this green button called AI website builder. Build a professional website 10 times faster with AI. Get AI generated content and images customized with Elementor based editor. That seems to be the icing on the cake for you to know that you can customize this real quick with a page builder just like Elementor. And literally this Elementor is a customized Elementor, and we'll get to that real quick. So if you're on the screen here, without further ado, let's just get started with this AI. Let's check what this AI is capable of, and everything you need to do here is just click this generate your website button. It will take you to the page here where you'll be required to just sign up, and you can sign up for a free account. And once you do that here, it will bring you to another page here where you'll be asked some additional information about yourself and your businesses. If you are able to provide those information accurately, it will bring you to this page here where you would have the option to create a website or migrate your website, optimize your website, or generate with AI. Let's try to see if we can generate a website with AI. And that's what we're going to do. We're going to click on this, and we will have this WordPress installation prompt. So we have to fill our site title. I can just say Daps Digital. I really don't care about the location or data center. Let's leave this to the USA. And for subdomain here, I have the option to choose a subdomain for this. So let me just choose a subdomain as Daps Digital. So now the subdomain will be dapsdigital.10web.io. And if you come here again, you realize that you have the option here for you to add a custom domain to this WordPress installation. But I would advise you to do this when you are sure that you want to invest in this platform, because this platform really is a paid platform, but they give you the option for you to experiment with their site for free. So if you want some advanced feature like adding your domain, like getting access to the Elementor based page editor, you would need to subscribe to Pro. The good thing is that they give you access to the 7-day free trial. After then, you can then now choose to make payment. I'm currently on their free trial, and is even about to expire. I think they've tried to charge my card and there's an error, as you can see on the screen earlier. So I'll be trying to rectify that eventually, but that's it. You can just experiment. I'm still experimenting with the site myself to see if it's something that I really want to invest my money into. But it's quite a fantastic platform so far, testing, experimenting. I think I've been able to make 2, 3, or 4 videos around this, or the possibilities of the things you can do with this platform. It's quite an amazing one, really. I would not advise you to add your own domain name. Even if you have a domain name you want to use, you can still go ahead using their subdomain first and see what it is like, the experience you get using the platform, and then you can make up your mind on what to do. So that's it. That's how it is for me. So the next thing is for me to add a WordPress admin credential. So I will just say admin, and I'll choose a password I'm comfortable with, and then I'll hit the create button. So as you can see here, a blank WordPress website is being installed on 10web hosting. So let's give this some few seconds, let this finish installation, and we'll continue with the tutorial then. Okay, congratulations, your super fast website has been installed on 10web automatic web hosting. So that's it. Let's just start the fun already. So as you can see, this is launching us to a platform here, and it's quite amazing here, really. The number of things that we can get done using this platform. So let me just do a quick walkthrough. So you can switch here between a live environment and a staging environment, and that's quite fantastic. So this tool is saying that our website is loading at 100% page score on desktop and on mobile. I would have loved to experiment with that, but sincerely, I don't really want to waste so much time with this tutorial. You can experiment with that if you are experimenting with this platform too as well. If your page speed score is truly 100, I'll leave that so I can see overview, AI website builder, which is where we are going to be spending time on. And so you can see we have website booster, main image optimizer. We can integrate our Cloudflare. We can come to settings, and so they offer hosting services as well, and that's quite fantastic. And also you can point your domain to your website, which is fantastic as well. So you can manage your plugins, your WordPress themes, do backup, do SEO, and even white label this option, and that's quite fantastic. Sincerely, let's come back to the home page here, and let's come down to their pricing. Let's even see what their pricing is like. So you see, this is what you pay if you are subscribing to their platform. For just one website, you are going to be paying $10 per month. That covers for everything, both the optimization of your website, your hosting, using the AI and all of that. And 3 websites, which is $24 per month, or 10 websites, which is $60 per month. And you can come to this page here for you to see all their pricing and everything you'll be getting if you invest in this platform. That's literally up to you if you want to invest. That is not within the scope of this tutorial, but I just want to mention that for you to see exactly what their pricing is at, if this is exactly what you want to test with, but that's really up to you really. So right now, let's try to generate with AI and let's see what we can make out of this. Business type. Now I need to choose what exactly is my business, so I can say I'm a digital agency. Maybe that's, let me even see other options that we have. So if I scroll down, there are quite a number of options here really, and that's quite fantastic. Okay, that's, oh, now this is a lot. Okay, this is a lot. That's good. But I will just stick with, so digital marketing agency. I think I like this. Let me choose this and let's go next. It brings you down here where you have to choose a template for your AI, and I find this quite very limiting in all honesty. The AI is going to generate content around this template that I choose, and 3 is just literally small. If I must choose a template, I have just 3 options. That's not it for me. It's not cutting it for me. But again, let's experiment. Let's continue. I'll just choose the first one as a template, and then I'll hit the next button. And this is where I need to now put an information here about the company name, and I'll have to describe this company. I can just say this company is Daps Digital. Trying to write a description about this company now, I can just type something random. I can say we design bespoke WordPress website that tell a unique brand story that emotionally connects our clients with their ideal customers. We help them find their voices online. We also render consulting and maintenance services. So I hope this information is good enough for this AI to know exactly what I do and then create a content around that. So let's hit the next button. So now I need to write 3 main features that we provide. So I can just say web design, web development, and the third one, consulting. I can just say web consulting. Cool. So that's it. So let's hit the next button, and this is optional really. We have to possibly put our email address. So let me just say info@Daps Digital. Company number, I will just do random number. Company address, I'll say random. Let's just say 114 Random Avenue, Random Town. Get the idea? This is just tutorial purpose. So I can go to the next step. Choose the tone of your voice content. Do you want to make it informal or you want to make it formal? But this is a web design agency, so let's try to make this formal. We're trying to attract corporate clients to our business. So let's do formal, and then let's finalize this. Creating a blank website on 10 web hosting, creating home page, creating services, content, and about page. And this is quite fantastic. It's amazing. So let's see what this can come up with. My hands are folded and I'm watching and I'm waiting and I'm expectant. So let's see. Okay. Congratulations, your website was successfully generated with AI. So let's preview and edit this. This is loading the back end of the website. Okay, let's even come back here. This is our home page here. Let's try and open this in a new tab. Let's see what our front page would look like. And you can see we have pages here. So let's see the front end of the website. Let's see what that looks like. All right, so we have our website here. This image is not killing it. Emotive WordPress design and consulting service. Emotive. I'm hearing that word for the very first time. I really don't know what that means. Welcome to Daps Digital, where we specialize in crafting bespoke WordPress website that emotionally connect your brand with your ideal customer while providing dedicated consulting and maintenance services. That's impressive. Featured in, apparently I'm not featured in anything. Our services, bespoke WordPress website, WordPress consulting, bespoke WordPress website design services, bespoke WordPress website expertly crafted solution. Wow, this is serious. And benefits, bespoke website design and our team. Well, I think by and large, it's not a bad website. This may cut the crap for you if you really don't know how to design your website, and if you can just give this information, this random information to an AI, and it can come up with something this detailed in few minutes, I think is a lot better for you in the right direction designing your website. Uh, Paying into consideration that you would not be paying for your WordPress themes, and you will have this website here without even paying a dime for any premium WordPress plugin. And in few minutes, you have this. I think this is good for beginners to start designing their website. So you can just take over this design, then modify it into something entirely custom for you. These pictures must have been generated with AI. This is not looking real, it's looking animated. And I think I like the pictures really. I think I'm very, very picky with images. There's just a way images work for me that don't work for everybody. But for some funny reasons, I like the images that this is picking up for this website. Really, I like it. Sincerely, I'm not trying to flatter you, and happy customers are okay. This is a good picture for happy customers, really. So you can view testimonials, but apparently there are no testimonials here. So these are things you have to do for yourself. You can't expect this AI to do that for you. So, but the question now is why asking us to pick just three services? Why don't give us option to pick more services? So if I render 6 or 7 services, it means I literally have to come hard up the remaining ones here. So I really don't understand why that is. It doesn't really make sense to me. But again, it is what it is. So this is what so far this AI website builder can do. So let's come to the about page. Oh, this AI tool is able to generate a mission statement for me. Again, I like this image. It gives a feel of a working environment, and I like it. I like it. At Daps Digital, our mission is to empower businesses with the right digital tools and strategy they need to succeed. They need to succeed in today's competitive landscape. We believe in delivering bespoke solutions that are tailored to unique needs and goals of each of our clients. Through our expertise and dedication, we strive to help our clients connect with their ideal customers and achieve long-term success. I think I like this. I like this. This is good. And then I can change our team. If I don't want, I can just yank that off. Happy customers again. All right. So far, so good. It's just basic, but whatever this AI tool is able to generate here is good enough to start. Literally, I can edit this website and turn it upside down. I can work with this template and give you an amazing, superb website. The beauty about it is that you're able to edit this with an Elementor based page builder. That's just the icing on the cake that make this whole thing worth the while for me. Really, if you ask me, is worth it. If you are a beginner with WordPress, you just want something that can help you. You don't have money to pay developers like us to help you develop your website, your WordPress website. This AI tool would come in very handy to put flesh to your thoughts, and then you can then start editing the pages and whatsoever. All right, so let's come back here to this page. So this is the home page, and this is the 10 web builder. You can literally tell if you are used to Elementor that this is Elementor. It's just a customized Elementor, really, and that's it. I like to close this navigator. I really don't. It distracts me when I'm trying to edit my website with uh, the tool. So this just hero section is not killing it for me. It's too lame. It's too basic. I think this text is too big. We can just choose to want to reduce it. So if I click on it, you can see the text here. I can edit the text just literally like I'm using Elementor, and I can just come to styles. I can come to my typography. I can just choose to scale this down a little. Maybe something like this. All right. And this image is not doing it. It's not doing this at all for me. Let's come to our library. I don't even know if we have any image here. Let's come to library. Okay, so these are the images here on this site, and none of this is clean for me. I like to generate my images using a tool called pexels.com. It gives you access to royalty-free images, stock images that you can use on your website. So I can just type in digital agency. Let's see images that we can play around. Okay, there's an image here. Let's check out this. Okay, let's experiment with this. Let's just free download. I like to let me work with large, and let's download this. But I naturally wouldn't use this. Even if I would use this, I will still try to play with these images for a little bit. I will try to see how I can customize it, add some things like this images here. The screen here is blank. I would love to do something. Let's just work with that for tutorial purpose. So let me come back here and let's try to upload this image. All right, so let's use this instead. The image is quite small. Okay, 100% is good. So let me come to this box generally, and then I can increase the width here. Okay, let's come to advanced. To my left here, I'll leave this at 0. That will make it a lot bigger. That's it. Okay, so I can close this. Let's see what this page now looks like. So you can see this look more like it, but this image is small compared to this text. I just have to reduce this a little bit more. Okay. All right, and this text here, I think the general text on the website is quite big. Literally, I don't like using big text. That's for me really. So if I really want to really design this, this is 20. I think this is big. Let me do 16. Yeah, more like that. So you see, this whole thing is beginning to come to life. So I can just keep going on and try to delete this, but you get the idea. It's an Elementor to design this website into something cool and sleek for your businesses. You can add more services. So for example, let's open back this. So I can literally just duplicate this, and you can see we have this. So I can then change this in case I have more services, and then change the image, search for images at pixels, use the same aspect ratio for the images so that everything just rhyme. That I can update this page. I don't want to waste so much time trying to design this, because I don't even know the kind of website you're trying to design in the first place. Website is here, so I can go to the back end of this website. I can come here and come to dashboard. From there I can go to customization for me to add logo. So let me come, so literally I can even just go to customize here, so I can add in a logo and do some form of customization, change the color. I might not like the green theme color here. I may want to change that. So that's it. You can come first to site identity. You see, this is Daps Digital. I can change the tagline, and then I can add a site icon. A site icon should be this icon that you see here. This is YouTube here. This icon has a site icon. I can also select a logo and just look for any random logo and use. I don't have any logo here. I wouldn't want to bring in any random logo. So that's literally up to you to choose a logo. So that's exactly how to change your logo. So you can come to colors, your text and your background colors. So the text is black, background, this is okay for that. So we can come back. Header and image, nothing there really. Background, I think we were already there before. This is everything you can do here at the customization. Nothing much more than this. I thought there would have been a custom settings for color here that would attract the buttons. Since I don't have options more than this, for us to be able to change the colors, we should be able to do that with the page builder. We can just maybe let's even test that out. Let's come to home, for example, and then let's load this page builder again. Let's see what we can do. We can just come here and then come to site settings. So we can play with the global color here. So you see this green here, we can change this green to whatever color we want. So you can see that's reflecting generally on the site eventually. So and that's good. So the thing is that this whole clone designed by AI work generally just using this page builder to customize it. So the free version won't give you access to this page builder. It won't give you access to the backend of the WordPress website. It just gives you a basic lay website in the front end, which makes that AI useless literally for you, because if you can't customize it like this, then it's useless. So you must be able to be ready to use the 7-day free trial for you to be able to get something like this. And eventually, if you're not okay with the services, you're okay with the website, you may want to migrate your website away from here to your preferred hosting. So the clone will clone the 10-web builder, and if that builder have an update, you may not have access to it. Maybe you may just need to randomly subscribe to them for you to use their page builder to get all needed updates when they are updates. Maybe that might be a very good option for you. But if you take away the 10-web builder, I think we should just check that out. So that's it for the global colors. You can change the global font as well, the typography, the button colors. You can just play around with the settings from here. So if you know your way around Elementor, you will not have any problem trying to customize this website. So let's come back here. What I want us to do is let's come to this plugin. Let's install this plugin. Let's come to installed plugins rather. This website now. Let's update this. Really, I think we should. Let's close this and let's click this and let's view this page. Okay, so now let's come back to the backend here. This is the 10-web builder. Let's deactivate this and leave Elementor installed. So now that this theme is designed to work with 10-web builder plugin, so we need to activate this for this theme to function accurately. So let's come to the front end of the website and let's refresh. Let's see what the page will look like. So you can see the page is not functioning accurately without that plugin. So what that means is that you would definitely need that plugin, except you know your way around WordPress. You can easily remove some code, you can do some things around. And if you know how to do that, then you don't really literally need your AI builder. So this AI builder is supposed to help beginners. So that means literally that you would need this plugin, and this plugin you can only get access to this 10-web builder from 10web.io. So this is them trying to attach themselves to your website, and it's a con for me. Really, this page builder here work hand in hand with the theme. So it means that you will need to have both of them activated for you to be able to use your website. So in case you want to use this, you have to understand that, and that means ultimately that you need to have an account with 10web.io. The reason why this tool is worth a check for me, for you to try out what they've got, is that they sought to be one-stop solution for literally everything you might possibly need for your WordPress website. They claim that this website is optimized already. Maybe we should even check. Okay, so let's plug this URL and let's check for ourselves. I'll copy this, I'll refresh this. I just want to be sure that this page is loading well. Fantastic, it is. So let's come back here and let's paste this URL here and let's analyze this. Let's check truthfully if we'll get a 100% score as against what it is said. So we can see here that our mobile is loading at 62. We can see here first content paint is at 2.7 seconds. The cumulative layout shift is 0.003. Let's switch to desktop and let's see. So we have 100 performance on desktop. By and large, this is not really bad to start out with. You can still improve this eventually to get more results. But again, it's really up to you. I think this is the first time I'm doing a tutorial. I don't even have an heading around where I'm going in the content. I'm just experimenting. Like I said in the beginning, I'm checking out this tool just the same way I'm showing you. So I'm trying to just do a review, a debug of this AI tool. My final conclusion is that it is worth a try. It will save you a lot of headaches. It will help you optimize your website. At least we have 100% on desktop, even though we have 62 on mobile. We can still improve this to have something quite very good. So this tool is worth the check. You can check them out. If you want to use the AI website builder alone and then migrate your website to somewhere else, you're shooting yourself in the leg because you will need your 10 web builder perpetually to have that website up, which is a con for me, and it doesn't make sense. If you are ready to use that platform, then why not? You can continue. But if you're not ready to use that platform, there's no need trying to migrate your website away from this to another one because it won't work just with General Elementor. You would need to use a custom page 10 web builder. And that plugin might need updates, so you are vulnerable if you are using it outside of the platform where you will not have access to the updates. That's it. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have value for your time. If you did, give me a thumbs up. If you have any question about this, you can ask me in the comment section. I'm not guaranteeing you have answers to them because as much as possible as you're experimenting, I'm also experimenting. Whatever answers I have about this AI website builder, I would be sincere enough to tell you. And that's it. Subscribe to see more awesome videos like this from me. I'll see you in another video, and until then, have a nice time. Bye for now.